Hello, the primary focus of this video is going to be on how to create and send a Memoji, which is a new feature added to iOS 12 on devices like the iPhone 10 that have the FaceTime camera system on the front of the device. Now, Memojis is basically like an extension of the Animoji feature, with the addition of the ability to add that face to your body in a picture or video. And you can also create custom Animojis as well with iOS 12 that can be used with Memoji. And I will be doing another video on how to do that. But first, let me show you how to send a Memoji, which can only be done in the messaging app and in the FaceTime apps. So let me go to the messaging app to show you how. So you're going to go to the messaging app, you'll need to start a new message to somebody. So I'm going to tap on here, and now I'm in the messaging app. And the way you used to send regular Animojis is with your the button over here. You select the face that you want, record, then you do the up arrow to send it. But now with Memojis, to do a Memoji, you're going to want to select the camera icon like that. And then you will be choosing if it's going to be a picture or video. By the way, Animojis and Memojis can be sent to any device, like to somebody in Android or iOS. It doesn't matter because it sends it as a video file. So anyway, I'm going to select video for this demonstration. And then I'm going to select this new icon here, which is for Memoji, and it will automatically switch to your front-facing camera when you do that. So let me tap that icon over there. Now it's on my front-facing camera. Now I'm going to choose the monkey face for the Animojis, and I'm going to select the face that I want. I'm going to use one of the custom faces that I made for this demonstration, and give something like this. Excuse me. So anyway, now that you have the face that you selected, and here are some others. So you can do your Memoji with that, whatever you want. Again, let me go back to my custom face that I made. So, and as you see, you can do the tongue detection too. I don't believe that worked on iOS 11, if I remember correctly. I believe that's a new feature. So you'll just press the X button over here once you've selected the face you want. And then you start recording. And then you're going to just move around, do your message, say hello. And once you're done, you're going to choose the up arrow to send. And if you're... let me play it back. There we go. And then you're going to just move around, do your message, say hello. So that's how that came out. I sent that Memoji. So yeah, pretty simple. Now let me show you again really quickly. Again, you're just going to choose the camera over there. If you just, again, you're going to choose video if you want it to be as a video. Choose a little star looking character, the monkey face. Like, let's say I want to be a cat now. You know, or dog, whatever. I'm going to choose X once I've selected what I want. I'm going to press the record button. And now it's recording. Once I'm done, I press that. And then I would press the up arrow, the blue up arrow to send it. Or I can just choose done if I decide I don't want to send anything at all. And that's that. I'm going to press X over here to erase that because I'm not going to send that. Now, if you were doing a FaceTime, it's the same thing is going to happen. You're going to go to the FaceTime app and you're going to see, because you're going to see a video of your face once you start FaceTime, and you're going to see the same star icon on the lower left, and then you just select that, the monkey face, and choose what you want, and then you're going to be ready to go with a FaceTime. Anyway, that's about it. And I hope this video was helpful. If you need any more questions, if you have any questions, feel free to add them in the comments. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video where I will show you how to make your own custom Animoji face, which again you can use for your Memojis. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.